Are you going to try to give me a shot here, babe?
Huh?
Are you going to try to canter for me to get it on tape?
Yeah.
That's pretty when you get it done, when you do it, baby.
What?
It's pretty when you canter. It's really pretty.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, apparently I'm not doing it right, but...
Well, a while ago it was pretty.
Come on.
I didn't see it that time, though.
Okay. So... No! Pull back! Trot! 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 Now kick your right leg! Right leg! No! Pull back and trot! Pull back and trot! Okay. So isn't it... To get the left lead, you kick with your right leg.
And shorten
Pull
this
up
rein
with your
first.
left rein.
Yeah, I thought that's what I was doing.
And you cannot lean over the horse's left shoulder at all.
Okay.
No. Behind your leg. Perfect. Now, use your right rein right here to move his hip over. No. Charlotte! Charlotte! What? In order for you to get the left lead, your horse's left hip has to be into the inside of the arena.
So I pick this up and then kick him with this leg, right?
Okay, move your right leg back. Good. Now pick up your left rein. Okay, bring your left rein to your right hip. Good. Now, right there, ask for the canter. Now sit back. Right there, ask for the canter. Nope. Trot, right rein hard. Right rein hard. Okay, so let me tell you something. Reverse, pick up a right lead canter. Hey! All right, listen.
Was that? Did I get it?
That was the correct lead.